The biggest thing to happen to content in 2022 was not Elon Musk's Twitter takeover. In fact, it was ChatGPT, the AI bot that can be used to create essays, scripts, even recipes. As a professional writer who developed my reputation with beautifully written books, you might think you know how ChatGPT would make me feel. But actually, since it came out in December, the Ghost Bureau gang has been obsessed with it. We found that ChatGPT is very good at some things. For example, it creates a really good rap song.
Ghost Bureau, the name says it all. We're a content market agency ready to ball.
But for anything serious, it doesn't really work. What you get out of it is kind of like a first draft created by a foreign exchange student with a good fluency in English, but no cultural references. It's just a little bit wrong in every way. That's why we argue that using ChatGPT is not plagiarism. For serious stuff, it's pretty obvious that what you get out of it is created by an AI bot. In fact, we regard ChatGPT as the latest in a long line of technology designed to take an idea out of your brain and put it in someone else's. First, there was a caveman using blood to dab messages on a stone wall. Then came the quill, the fountain pen, the ballpoint pen, typewriter, word processor. ChatGPT is what's next. It's really good at getting you started, at beating writer's block. Amateurs can use it to take their rough, hazy idea of what they should be writing and get something on paper that they then revise and polish and show to somebody and then revise again until the result is exactly perfect for what they want it to do. So, is it plagiarism to start the writing process with ChatGPT? In the opinion of this professional writer, absolutely not.